Okay, so this week we finished up the LiDAR function, including the second step where it had to go around objects. And I have the updated code right here. For some reason, our code didn't like to send Excel walk, so we had to send it about 20 times before it worked, but it still worked. It's a kind of a weird glitch. Then, same as last time with this for loop, what we didn't use it to start the cart this time. What we did was we only used it to find the object. And once the object was found, we broke out because we knew there was something in the path. In order to make it simpler, instead of doing all these things inside the avoid function, as you can see here, we used switch cases, where it only goes up to one case once the other's finished. My first attempt at this was an if statement, which didn't exactly work correctly because it skipped over things. Because some things were true and some things weren't. This, however, does not have that problem. As you can see, we have a bunch of helper functions in here. Things are like LiDAR left, LiDAR straight 2, LiDAR straight L, and down here, there's the helper functions. Now, they're all very simple, but it's much easier to have them out of the code, well, out of the main algorithm instead of in it, because that makes it too long. This way, it just reads them one at a time instead of trying to read them all at once.
That is a why? Whoa!
Well, that was.
Because if you're looking at this, don't drop me, don't drop me, don't drop me. I'm trusting you right now. Turn back. You lean, you'll be fine. What? Here's the thing. It's simple. It's just going. Guys, we're all gonna win the most amount.
Here they are.
Oh.
Okay, let's go back in.
So today we worked on the algorithm, or rather the state diagram for the GPS, which is going to be our next objective to complete. Our first attempt, we thought about doing a line from the point A to point B and then following the line, but that is not accurate enough. We would have had to do so much to do that. So when looking back over the practice code, we found a variable called bearing, which essentially tells us what direction it's facing, as well as what direction it wants to be facing. Once we found this, it was far easier because using these, we can basically make the cart constantly check, is it going the direction it should, and if not, adjust. Overall, what it should do is it goes to the GPS point from the start, making adjustments based on bearing. If it's the ending point, it stops there, else it resets its destination location and starts readjusting to that point using the new bearings.